peeps. A walking tunnel. Where's Austin going? Where are you going, buddy? What are you gonna make, Chloe? What are you making with your Play-Doh? What'd you do? You got an owie? What'd you do? Let me see. No, does it hurt? Huh? You can bend it. Yeah, that's good. Did you hit it on something?
No.
No. Here, let's try in. What do you want to make?
Here, let's try in.
Or if you want to get the blue out, let's put the purple out. We don't want to mix the colors.
Yeah. I'll see.
Where's the lid?
Another hickey stuff.
Alright, what are you going to make? There's a roller.
Pizza.
Huh?
Pizza.
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 Oh, pizza. Say
Pizza.
pa.
Pizza.
Not pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Close. Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Good job. You did it.
Pizza.
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 You're gonna make a pizza? Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of pizza are you making? Huh?
Cheese.
Cheese? Cheese pizza is good. I like cheese pizza. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's hungry too.
Yeah, it's yummy too.
Yeah.
All roll out, huh?
Go, let it go! Yeah!
Why not, Chloe Bog?
You want it now or you want it later?
No.
Okay, you want Daddy to fix it then or me?
No. Me.
If you want me to fix it, you're going to wait till later. I'm eating. Daddy's already done eating.
No, he not.
Yeah, he's done eating, pretty sure.
No.
Yeah. Go get it. Bring it here. Here, Stella. Go get it. Bring it back here, Stella. Come on, Stella. Stella Bay. Go get it. Good girl. Stella May. Stella May, go for a walk. This way. Turn. Let's go. Stella, you picked that up clear back by the tennis courts at the lake. We are now almost to the school. Why do you want to take that home so bad?